In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and use the Xero Expenses app to submit a receipt for approval. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can quickly capture an expense and send it off without needing to do everything manually. This is especially helpful when you're on the go and want to make sure your receipts don't get lost or forgotten. To begin, download the Xero Expenses app onto your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone, open the iOS App Store. If you're using an Android device, go to Google Play. Search for Xero Expenses, then download and install the app. Make sure you're choosing the official app so everything works smoothly and securely. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in using your Xero user credentials. Enter your login details carefully and wait for the app to load your account. If your organization has already enabled access, you should be able to continue straight into the app. Logging in connects your expense claims to the correct account, which helps keep everything organized for submission and approval. After you're signed in, look for the option labeled Claim Expense. Tap that to begin creating a new expense claim. The app will then allow you to take a picture of your receipt using your phone's camera. Try to place the receipt on a flat surface with good lighting before taking the photo. This makes it easier for the app to read the information clearly. Once the picture is taken, the OCR feature, which stands for Optical Character Recognition, will scan the receipt details for you. This can save time by automatically capturing important information instead of requiring you to type everything yourself. When the receipt details appear, take a moment to review them carefully. Check that the amount is correct, confirm the category matches the expense, and make sure the key information pulled from the receipt looks accurate. OCR is useful, but it's always a good idea to verify the details before sending anything through. Small errors can slow down the approval process, so this quick review step is important. Once everything looks right, submit the expense for approval. At that point, your claim is sent through the proper process in Xero, making it easier for your team or manager to review it and move it forward. That's all it takes to capture and submit an expense using the Xero Expenses app. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a fast and reliable way to manage receipts directly from your phone.